You know those moments when you wake up in the morning and you just pick up your phone and you look at it and you see something like it's about to rain in the next 1 hour or 2 hours, and the next thing the rain comes. And I know you must have thought that this thing is so smart, this thing is smart, What if it's not that complicated? And that's what I want to explain to you, exactly how AI is able to predict. So prior to now, weather forecasting was based on equations. Scientists will calculate how air pressure and temperature should behave. But the problem is that the world is too complex. Too many variables, too many unknowns. But when AI came, AI did something totally different. AI did not necessarily need to calculate. Now remember that I explained to you how AI learns. That's if you've been following my videos. I explained that AI learns by two ways, which is pattern recognition and repetition. And in some of my videos, I've spoken about patterns where I've explained how patterns work, that patterns give birth to prediction, right? For example, if you come out of your house and you see, let's say it's in the afternoon, the sun disappears, it gets cloudy, there are thunder strikes, and maybe lightning here and there, then you can tell that it's about to rain. You're not necessarily guessing, you are predicting that based on a pattern that you've observed all your life, right? So AI does something very, very similar with weather forecasting. So instead of AI trying to calculate everything, it does something smarter. It studies the past, millions of weather records, satellite images, storms from years ago, and learns just one thing: patterns. Let's say AI was real now, like a human. Just look at the sky and say, I've seen this kind of weather before. I saw it in. Now, you must understand that AI has been fed with voluminous amount of data, right? In pictures, weather records, and all these stuffs, right? So whenever that thing comes up again, all AI needs to do is just to match it with its database. So it can say, like, this thing happened in 1998, it happened in 2021, it happened in 2028, this same thing happened in maybe 2024, and when this thing happened, this is what usually followed next. This thing happened and this is what happened next. So based on those things that happen, it's going to predict that, okay, based on the patterns that I've noticed across the years, that when this happened, this is what followed next. It is likely that this is what will happen next, and they are usually correct. But it is not just photos alone, right? It's not just photos alone. That photo is combined with live data. There are satellites that are sending updates every single minute. There are sensors that are tracking temperature, wind speed changing in real time. It looks complex, but it's not complex. It's just past data plus current data, right? That is what is giving birth to the prediction. So when next you carry up your phone and your weather app tells you that it's going to rain, it's not necessarily guessing. It's just telling you what will happen based on patterns that it has observed over the years, many, many years. And AI doesn't forget. So if something happened in 1902, so far as it is documented and it is in that database, if that thing happens again now, AI recognizes that in split seconds. It just connects it and then predicts what will happen next. So your AI weather app or your weather app is just doing something similar to what we humans do, which is predicting based on patterns that they've observed. So next time when you pick up your weather app, just know that this is what it does. It's not really that complicated, and this is like me explaining it in the most basic way possible, right? There are still other variables, but this is just the basic concepts to really understand how it works. So until next time, I'm Guluke Manuel, and I teach about AI systems and culture. Bye.